is this? What's going on? Chakra from all the reanimated shinobi is fading rapidly.
Reports are flooding in. From every battlefield, the reanimated are all turning back into souls. Even the sealed ones. And the ones still fighting.
The only way to explain all this is that the reanimation jutsu has somehow been released.
Yes, it would appear that the reanimation jutsu has been released.
But how? We haven't even located Kabuto yet. It's too soon. Even if Kabuto was found, to be able to stop this jutsu, who could have done it?
It doesn't matter. Whoever did it is a hero who saved the shinobi world.
It appears that you have able shinobi on your side, too.